learn English online at Base Training School. If you want to become proficient in the use of the versatile verb get, you've just to understand the different ways in which you use this verb. In this video series, we'll show you 12 ways with sufficient explanation and simple examples. Are you ready? Let's start. Get plus past participle.
Another use of get followed by a past participle. Get is frequently used in passive structures instead of be, especially when we are talking about things that happen by accident or unexpectedly.
The warthog got snapped by an automatic speed camera.
This driver has no idea about the speed camera, and he was snapped.
The chopper got caught when he has used a forget note.
He ignored that the shopkeeper checked notes by special machine.
My watch got broken while I was fighting with the aggressor.
I haven't the faintest idea that will be happen. It happened accidentally.
The fisherman got attacked by a shark while he was pulling the net.
He was attacked by a shark. This happened by accident.
They need some help because their house got destroyed by a violent storm. Now they're homeless.
Their house was destroyed. So the user of get gives more explanation that it was an expected action.
Now I see clearly. We normally use be followed by the past participle in passive voice. Today, I discover that get can be used in the same way as be to emphasize an expected passive action.
You have got the right explanation.
It's exactly what happened in the class next door about students who got caught cheating.
No comment. Everything is clear. Let's go to the next one.
The next one.